Hi everyone, I'm Aya. Some customers have mentioned that the accuracy of SLAM RTK Me isn't meeting their expectation. But could it be they just missed a few setup steps? Today, I'm going to walk you through how to unlock its full potential and get the best possible accuracy. Let's go! The Mixed Solutions uses multiple technologies. To get it right, just follow these 3 critical steps. Step 1. Achieve a fixed solution. Always start in an open area with a clean view of the sky. Power on the main unit and wait until the status shows fixed. Step 2. SLAM initialization. Ensure the surroundings having buildings or structures to help SLAM. Lock on for stable positioning. Step 3. Mixed solution initialization. This is key. Keep the unit facing the same direction and work a figure 8 around it. This boosts initialization accuracy. The initialization is complete and Me is ready. Starting using Mixed Solution now. In good signal areas, you'll keep a fixed solution. In poor signal areas, it switches to Mixed Solution automatically. Its accuracy is related to the distance you travel after losing the fixed solution. The farther you go, the greater the potential loss in accuracy. Watch the real-time HV value. It's a precision gauge. That's a complete set of tips for improving the accuracy of Mixed Solution. Got it? Go ahead and give it a try.